Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid zip bulge. First, selecting the right size and fit for your clothing is paramount. A garment that is too tight will strain the zipper, causing it to pucker. Conversely, a piece that is too loose might bunch up. Aim for a comfortable fit that skims your body without pulling or excess fabric. This simple step makes a huge difference. When it comes to fabric, materials with a bit of stretch, like those containing 2 to 5% spandex or elastane, can significantly reduce bulge. These fabrics move with you, preventing the zipper from being pulled taut or distorted. Always check the garments fit around your natural waist and hips. A proper fit here is crucial for a smooth, flat zipper line. Your undergarments play a vital role in preventing zip bulge. Opt for smooth, well-fitting pieces that don't create extra bulk. Seamless underwear and a supportive bra create a streamlined foundation. Avoid tucking in thick shirts or wearing multiple layers directly beneath the zipper area. A simple, thin camisole or slip can also help create a perfectly smooth surface. Finally, consider the zipper itself. Invisible zippers are often a great choice as they are designed to blend seamlessly into the garment, reducing the chance of bulge. Always ensure your zipper is completely closed and not twisted before you head out. Keeping your zippers clean and occasionally applying a tiny bit of lubricant, like a graphite pencil, ensures they operate smoothly and lie flat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.